Hey everybody, John C. here in sunny Southwest Florida. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are today. Welcome to another Tipsy Tuesday. And yes, I'm not in my car. I'm actually in an open house on a Sunday afternoon. And I thought, you know what? Not a better place to do a Tipsy Tuesday video and talk about open houses other than in the open house that I'm holding right now here in Bonita Springs in Village Walk. Beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath Capri home. Anyways, here's the tip. The tip has to do with open houses, and a lot of times as a buyer you may be thinking, John, I go into these open houses and there's a realtor there and he hits me up and he tries to get me to sign in and all this stuff. Feel free to do that. Feel free to sign in, but just make sure you let that realtor know that you do have a buyer's agent that you're working with, if you do have one. If you don't, you can definitely work with the agent that's there at the house. But I would strongly suggest that if you have an agent you're working with, have a stack of cards. That way when you walk into the home, you can let them know you have representation helping you. If you have any further questions, you're going to put in an offer on that home. What I love about open houses though is this. Around here in Naples, Bonita, Estero, Fort Myers, there's a lot of gated communities. And if you know anything about gated communities, some of them are very difficult to get into. So a little tip, a little trick is this. On your Saturday afternoons, usually between 1 and 4, or on Sunday afternoons, a lot of those gated communities will let you through as a buyer. Just show your ID, they'll let you through. And that gives you an opportunity to visit those centers, the town centers, the pools, all that fun stuff with the amenities without having to drag necessarily your real estate agent along with you. Gives you that opportunity to take your time and at your leisure, visit the town center and see what goes on in that community. Hope this tips helps. John C. here in sunny Southwest Florida. Have a great week.